I set this tabletop charging system and ask you my opinion on it, make this short video. Here's everything you're gonna get sent to you. It comes with the cable and then the charger itself. And then there's actually a ring that they use to secure this to the table on these very coarse threads here. Now the way this works is you're gonna drop this, you're gonna drill a hole in the table, drop this down in, and then you can roll it over like this, and you've got access to some charging points there. You got USB-C and a USB-A and a regular 110 plug. And then if you put this back over the top, you've got the ability to do that surface charging by just setting your phone right on there. So I'm gonna install this here on my desk. This is a standing desk I've got that I made out of wood, and I just drilled that hole. We're gonna drop it down in there and let's see how it works. And then now underneath, I'm just gonna take this collar here, nice and tight, and I just plug it into my power supply, and I'm ready to go. Everything's good. Nice how this slides out so easy like that. And then to charge, you just take your phone, just set it on there. You get the green ring lighting up to indicate that, hey, it's passing some charge. And then your phone will respond to that. And this one was turned off, but it'll start to turn on and it'll start to take a charge. Really cool how this works. Really pleased with this device. It's great looking, really functional. I think you'll enjoy it too. Hope that helps. Have a great day.